Right, here's a good question. Dealing with a quadratic function or quadratic equation and solving. So we need to use this formula here and plug in the stuff. And so there's the formula, and stuff is all plugged in correctly. So now what I want to do is solve this equation for I. I have to get I by itself. So first thing I would do is get this by itself. So let's divide both sides by 2480. And I'm just going to write a decimal for that. Okay, 3670 divide 2480. So that's 1.4798, etc., is equal to 1 plus I all squared. So now that I've isolated this, I can get rid of the square by square rooting things. So if I square root this side, that cancels, leaving me with 1 plus I. But then I have to square root the other side, 1.4798, etc. So with that in my number in my calculator, I'm going to take the square root of it. And that comes out to 1.216486 is equal to 1 plus I. I want to solve for I, so now I'll subtract 1 from both sides. So subtract 1, and I come up with 0.216486. They say round to the nearest hundredth. Oh, now hold it. This is an interest rate. So I'm going to times that by 100. So the interest will be 21.6, and they need another decimal place, 21.65. That would be the interest rate. That is a crazy interest rate. Like if you could get an interest rate like that, sink as much money as you can into it. Hopefully that helps.